Hi everyone, I wonder what's going on in the treehouse today. Let's take a look.
Hi everybody, it's me, Bobble, and I'm here with my friend, Squeak. How are you today? That's great. Do you like animals? I mean, obviously we love Squeak, but we love all animals, especially wild ones, which you may have seen if you've ever been to the zoo. Have you been to the zoo? Today we're going to be looking at some of these animals. Does that sound like fun? Are you excited, Squeak? Yeah, that's great. Let's have a look at these now.
Bear.
Bears come in lots of different shapes and sizes. Most of them are black, but some of them are brown. They save lots of food up so they can sleep all winter. That sounds good to me. Bears eat meat, but they also like nuts and berries. Can you act like a bear? Rah! Rah!
Crocodile.
Crocodiles live in water and have a really strong bite using their very sharp teeth. They do go onto land and can run faster than a human. Their skin is very rough and they're covered in scales. Can you act like a crocodile? Stop, stop.
Elephant.
Elephants live in Africa and Asia. They are the biggest animal that lives on land and have great big ears and tusks on the side of their face. Elephants eat grass, plants and fruit.
Hippo.
Hippos live in Africa and they mainly eat grass. They spend most of their time in rivers, lakes and swamps. And they rest in the water so they don't get too hot. Whew.
Hyena.
Hyenas are a type of a wild dog. They live in large groups and have really big ears, which helps them hear better. Most hyenas live in Africa and they have a light brown coat with black spots.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroos live in Australia. They're excellent jumpers and they can jump really high. The mummy carries the babies around in their pouch. The babies are called joeys.
Koala.
Koalas live in Australia and they're mostly awake at night. They have very sharp claws which helps them climb trees. They eat leaves and have large noses which are mainly black but sometimes pink.
Lion.
Lions are also big cats. The male lion has fur all around his head, which is called a mane. And they live mainly in Africa. They eat meat and spend most of their day sleeping. Lazy lions.
Monkey.
monkeys live in forest areas, and a lot of monkeys live in Brazil. They are great climbers. Some live in trees, but some do live on the ground. Monkeys live in groups, and they like to make friends. Can you act like a monkey?
Panda.
Pandas are a type of bear that live in China. They have black and white fur and are brilliant climbers. They eat bamboo, which is a type of plant.
Parrot.
Parrots are large birds and they live in tropical areas where it's nice and hot. They are very clever and have really bright feathers. Some can even copy human voices, which is really clever.
Tiger.
Tigers are great big cats. They are orange with black stripes, although you do get some white ones, but they're quite rare. Tigers can jump really high and they're really good at swimming. Do you like swimming?
Zebra.
Zebras are the same family as horses. They live in Africa and have black and white stripes. They have excellent eyesight for seeing and ears for hearing. So there you have it. We hope you've enjoyed learning about different types of wild animals with us. As a little thank you for joining us today, grown-ups, you can now download our animal colouring sheet from our Facebook page. How much fun does that look? Anyway, here's a short video showing one of the ways which you could colour in your picture. But it doesn't have to be like this. You can colour it in however you like. And remember, please take a photo and share it on our Facebook page.
We've had great fun learning about wild animals with you. We hope you've had fun too. Well, that's all we have time for today. But until next time, remember, be good, be kind, and have fun. Bye-bye.
Hey grown-ups, if your child likes our videos, why not subscribe using the red button below? You can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Goodbye.